Hey YouTube. So today took care of a lot of work as far as did the normal things, Jealousy did the normal things, and then I worked on Facebook ads and campaigns. I finally got a call, or I got a call from a lady named Janet. It was finally because it took like 5 or 6 tries on her part, sadly, because the soft phones were being weird. Probably something that I did wrong. Worked on campaigns, worked on analytics, worked on making sure that we've got the right words for our ads, from campaigns to our website, and just trying to like clean things up because I'm taking this course for dental hacks, and so just learn that stuff. So worked on that all day, and then this evening from 5:30 to 8 we did Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and Muay Thai. We loved it. It was super fun. I'm super sweaty, and it's good. I have so much to learn, but it's cool learning a new skill. And some of the things from wrestling transfer over, and some of them are totally like just getting yourself killed. So, yeah, that was how it was. Today, fun, good. It's way later than we've been up for a long time, so we'll sleep in the morning. But be bold, be disciplined, inspire others. You are who you choose to be, YouTube. Have a great day.